Angkat! Hindi! Yan kasi!
Ay, sila yung kasama natin, di ba? Uy.
DLS you to Bridgetown. Are you guys ready for a part?
We're ready.
Saan tayo pupunta ngayon? Saan nga ba? Ang ganda kasi ng area na to. I wanna go somewhere na maganda ulit.
Wait, hindi ko malapit lang yung Sierra Valley. Let's check it out. Let's go, let's go.
Let's walk!
5.8 kilometers.
Layo?
Wow!
Let's go!
Ito ba tayo na naman?
Alright guys, we're off to a good start. Ang linis, ang ayos ng sidewalk natin right now. Ito yung first walk namin na hindi lasal yung start.
Nagkahinkasi.
Alright, paalis na tayo sa Bridgetown. Papunta na kami sa mga pollution, alikabok at traffic. We gotta get ready, let's go!
5.22.
Paangkat.
Bridge counter 1.
Ikaw sa
Ano mo lasal? How is that?
Papuntang Bridgetown. Hello po! I'm Chinita Walker. Ito Chinita Tita.
iba kita.
Ano pakiramdam mo sa first walk natin? 15 kilometers.
Medyo sore pa talaga yung legs ko.
Pero okay lang yan. Buti mas malapit ngayon. Pagod na ako, hindi naman ako si Superman. Ay, extrovert. Extrovert, hindi nahihiya. Sidewalk rating non-existent.
Walk rating not from Ikaboy kasi walang sa
If you're watching this, kids, don't try this at home. Stay at home, okay?
Oo, wala na. Ano kami tayo? Consider rin. Ay, tara, bilisan
Ulan
na
daw,
natin.
tara!
Ilog counter. Tara, swimming.
Swimming? Guys, malapit na mawala yung araw.
Lapit na rin umulan.
Compress. Chinito hikers na tayo, guys. Okay, we're back to being Chinito walkers, guys.
1 kilometers.
Ang hirap.
Sidewalk rating 0. 0 out of 10.
This is what it's like to be a Chinito walker, guys. Sarap kuya.
6:30 na. This is a 1-hour walk as of now.
Gabi na guys, wala na. I mean at least chill. Mas like medyo romantic na nun. Imagine mo ko like nag-holding hands tayo.
Let's go, we're here. Sierra Valley. Okay, Uniqlo.
Andito na tayo sa leisure hub ng Taytay. Ang dami nangyari dito. May restaurant, may pangbili ng madamit. Lahat meron dito.
Dito may food strips, guys, where you can find both local and foreign flavors, guys. After post shopping or casual hangouts, perfect to, guys. Come on.
Perfect pahinga after a long walk namin. Right?
It's very accessible pa dito kasi like it's located near Ortigas and connected through Rizal. So, di ba? Very ano talaga. Habang nandito ka, tapos gumagano.
Grabe yung community feels dito at more developments coming in the future.
Tara, gutom na ako, kain na.
Kain, tara. Alright guys, we'll see you guys sa next walk namin. Saan kaya? Bye-bye.
Bye.